The video is short. I was being chased after. The people are still disturbing the whole area.
One of them. People they worry.
The whole area.
They worry for
the whole area is under fire. The video coverage I'm doing now is a risk because they are still around. They are watching at me. My life is not safe, but I have to do this thing to bring out evidence. We need evidence. We need the world to see. We need Rivers State government to look into this matter. We are citizens. We are citizens. We don't deserve this kind of treatment. We don't deserve this. This market is being brought down. Everything has been taken away. The livelihood of over 250 people has been destroyed in just a day. This market is worth over 250 million naira, and the whole money is gone. The goods in the market is gone. God, please help us. I am the PRO of this market. God, help us. Help us. Help us, oh Lord. This is my stand, and in this stand, I have over 50 pieces of phones, working phones, but none of them is to be found. This is where my tools, my machines for work, everything were inside there. This bus is empty. I will take you to my container where I have this is my container where I have over 30 pieces of cell phones, working phones, my tools, my machines. All of them, they have gone. They've been taken away. And this is a life. What kind of life is left for us? What do we do from here? It is fine. This is an evidence. Nothing is left in the market. Nothing is left. Nothing is left. Not even a single shop is left untouched. Everything has been destroyed. Thank you for watching this video. And if you're watching this video, please share this video. Tag the Rivers State government. Tag them. Let them see. Thank you.